you make your own history in this planet.
Yes, Mr.
Yun
Chair.
ang gusto nilang mangyari. Doon sila sa impyerno at doon tayo magkita.
Wala namang jurisdiction ng Senado sa impyerno. Dito lang sa bansa natin pwede tayong mag-investigate.
Ba't doon tayo pupunta?
Wala po akong ambisyon pumuntang impyerno pa. Pero Mr. Chair, ang
hirain
punto
kita,
lang
ma'am.
nito.
Season, yung ospital mo, wala kang bayad-bayad. Tumaawa ka naman sa Norwegian government, magpakamatay ka na lang.
Destroy the Abu Sayyaf, destroy the NPA, and destroy the drug organizations. If destroying is killing, if you're interested to know, yes, better.
When you bomb Syria and Iraq, and you kill communities, and you kill children and old people and hospital, what is it? And why is it that United States is not doing anything? I do not read anybody in that stupid body complaining about the stench there of that.
There is always a time for everything. There is always a time for you to make money and make a mockery out of our laws. There's always a time for you to be in control even if you are inside the prison. But there is always a time to rest and to die.
We will cut the assistance. Putang ina, iilo ninyo yung pera ninyo. You know what is an ilo? That's a piece of paper. When you run out of toilet paper, you wipe out your ass. God damn it. God damn, you tell that to that American there. Or better still, tell him that I will pay him a visit if there is time. You just tell me where I can find him. So yun. The mayor is asking where can he see you. Ako pupunta doon. Gago. Ngayon si mayor. Kaya Tamandabaw maganda. Patay naman lahat pero maganda. Sabi ko, Judge, pupuntahan mo, sipain kita. Sabi niya, sige, sipain mo. Pumunta ako doon sa pisina niya. Sinipa ko. Aga ikaw ngayon. Gusto mo, barilin kita? Sabi niya, wag. O, lagi.